Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a HP all-in-one PC. This is the one. The problem is it is not turning on. So today we are going to fix this. I am making this video here because it's too big to handle. So here only we'll check it out what is the problem and we will open here itself. Hopefully we can solve it here itself. If we could not solve here, then we will shift to the repair desk. So stay tuned. But before that, let me show you what is the problem. Let's check it out. So as you can see, the power cable is connected through a connector and the light also is glowing and the power button is here. If you press the power button, see what happens. A blink of a light. The light blinks for a milliseconds and nothing happens. But the fan is spinning, we can hear the noise. Hopefully you can hear the noise. If not, we'll open the system and show you. In this case, the PC was turning on but display was not coming, so we have to always check this CMOS battery. This may create 100 problems. Okay, and the second thing is RAM. So we'll start it from here. We'll clean it up, RAM and all, and then we will check it out whether it is getting solved or not. So first we will check the voltage of this one. So here you can see guys, the CMOS battery voltage is completely gone. Nothing is there. Okay, and RAM also we see lot of dirt is on the teeth of the RAM. So let's clean it up this and both. One by one we'll test it. We use this one to clean it up. If you are not aware of this, do not use it, otherwise you may break down components. So guys, here we have a brand new CMOS battery. We did a mistake. Instead of keeping on DC, we kept it on AC, but still on DC you can see it is 1.4. Okay, so still this is replaceable. We have a brand new CMOS battery and here you can see it's 3.3. This is the right one. Okay, now let's place this one first. Okay, and now we will start with one RAM at a time. First we'll use it bottom one and we will check with the power cable. Okay, so it is turned on, fan is spinning. If the display is coming, so guys, finally display is not coming. That means we need to repair the board. Maybe the BIOS could be the next. What we can do is, so let's open it. So now we have to take out the board. Okay, so the board is out now. Let's go to the repair desk. So guys, here we have opened the board and brought it here, and if you connect with the DC, you can see what is the reading we are getting. See, it is taking 0.03, but when we press the power button, it is going 2.4 and coming back to 1.71, but still there is no display, not in keyboard and not in screen as well. If we get the display and keyboard, definitely we can get on the keyboard. So we have cleaned the RAM, we have did other things, but still there is no display. Processor is heating normally, and now what left is we have to do the BIOS. So where is the BIOS chip here? So the BIOS chip is here. We may need to program this BIOS chip. Okay, but before that we will monitor physically because I see some corrosion, etc. So let's try to do it. So here we are removing the BIOS chip. I'm not covering the full detail video, but I'll just show you part of it. This is the cleaning of the legs of the BIOS IC, because sometimes it doesn't detect it, so it is necessary to clean the legs of the BIOS IC. The mark has to be towards outside, the mark which is there on the IC, otherwise it will not detect the IC. Now let's program it by using SVOD3. So we already have a file. We have to select SPI 25. Okay, so it has been programmed now and we have placed it. Now let's check it out whether display is coming or not. Now on the DC you can see it is 0.02 before turning on, and when we press the power button you can see it is going from 1.7 to above 2, 2.2. Now display will come, and you can see on the keyboard the display has come. Now it's time to check on the screen. As you can see, the display has come. So guys, our work has been successful. If you find this video worth watching, please give a like to the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel.